Hey guys, this is a video of unboxing mini sewing machine that I bought from Lazada last Saturday AM, and I received it by last Wednesday, and my friends helped me with the signs because I weren't there when the workers come to send this because it was our recess time and I went out. But before that, I get a call and messages saying that they are from GDEX or GD Express, how to pronounce this, saying that I can post a post office addresses for these things that I bought from Lazada. Look, my name and the addresses. Oh god. And they told me that they want to send it directly to me, and I'm thankful for that because I don't really know who signs it for me, but whoever did that, help me with that. Thank you so much. It was a surprise for me seeing this on my desk after I finished my lunch. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's open this first. How to do this? Okay, here. As you can see, guys, the packaging seems in a good conditions, and I like it. Ooh, nice. Mini sewing machine. Okay. Oh, this helps. Okay, and we're done. This is the box. Mini sewing machines SM202 with double threads and speed control. Includes adapter, foot pedal control. So yeah. Ouch. Ooh. Okay. Oh, look. Wow. Nice. She's nice. Oh my god. Okay, here's the machine and this is the instructions. And look what we got here. Bunch of extension for this machine, I guess. Mini electric sewing machine operation manual. Okay. Introduction. You can read it. Okay. Done that. Let's open her up. Okay. Oh, cute. So cute. As you can see, here's the machines, and this is the foot pedal control. Okay, and yep, that's all we have. Oops. Better use a knife because it's so hard to peel it. Okay guys, this is all we got. A 4 bobbins, foot pedal, adapter, and machines, mini sewing machines. That's quite good. What is inside? Is this okay? Nothing. in good conditions. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.